Marcie, guess what? I got the car you're looking for. H190329. Yes, it's the beautiful Obsidian Blue Pearl, the EXL, everything you're looking about. Sunroof, third row capability, 60/40 split, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. This thing is totally loaded. Did you know that you have a full spectrum of LED headlights too? Can't wait to show you this stuff. Power tailgate. Oh man, it's a lot to go over, but not enough to fit into this short video. So give me a call, Marcie. Let's get together, schedule some time. 205-519-1710. That's Mary Elizabeth at Tameron Honda, where I guarantee you're going to love the way you're treated. Bye.